So we discuss associated angles. That means you can find the value of any angle. Okay. So here we follow one rule that if theta is associated with 180 degree or 360 degree, the trigonometric functions do not change in form. But when theta is associated with 90 degree or 270 degree, the function changes in form. That means if we have 90 plus something or 270 plus something, that means 90 plus 30 degree or 270 plus 45 degree, then if suppose we have sine here, sine 90 plus theta, it changes to cos. So change is of this form. Sine changes to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, cosec to sec, and sec to cosec, provided the sine is governed by the rule all sine tan cos, assuming theta to be equate. All sine tan cos means what? This one. This one. All sine tan cos. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Like this. Its sign changes. Huh? So suppose we have to find sine 210 degree. 210 degree means what? 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30, 180. Now this angle, 180 plus something means what? We are in the third quadrant. Okay, so in third quadrant, sine is negative. So first you write this sign, minus. Minus. Then we have written here that 180 or 360, trigonometric function do not change in the form. Change, there is no change. So sine remains sine. This minus is from this one, this concept. Okay, we get sine 30, so equal to minus half. Now tan 135, tan 135 means 90 plus 45. So when this is associated with 90 degree, here we written 90 degree plus 90 degree or 270. So 90 degree, when we have 90 degree, then what? Tan to cot. So this tan to cot. Okay. This minus sign is 90 plus something means what? We are in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. So this minus sign is from this concept, and this tan changes to cot. Okay, so we get minus of cot 45. This is minus 1. Similarly, sine 765 degree. 765 degree means 2 into 360. This is 720 degrees. 720 plus 45 is 765. Now 360, here also 360, so do not change. So if it is 360, sine remains sine. 360 plus 45 means 360 plus 45 means we are in the first quadrant. So in first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. So this is positive. Your sine 45, 1 by root 2. Then tan 40 degree, tan 420 degree. 420 means 360 plus 60. 420, again 360 is there, tan remains 10, 360 plus 60 means what? Up to this 360 plus 60 means what? We are in the first quadrant. So positive, 1060 root 3. Again cot 1050. You see, we have discussed this one, that sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta, tan of minus theta is minus this one. This we discuss in our first class. Na? So here cot of minus means 10. Na? So tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So cot of minus theta is minus, this is minus of cot 1050. Okay, this minus is from this rule. Okay, now 1050 means what? 3 into 360 minus 30. Okay, so cot of 360 means what? Change sign remains same, so cot remain cot. Now 360 minus, okay, up to this 360 minus means what? We are in the fourth quadrant. Na? So in fourth quadrant tan is negative, cot is negative, so this is negative. So that's why it is minus cot 30, this minus plus, you get cot 30 is root 3. Similarly, cosec minus means sin minus is minus sin theta. So cosec minus 1410 is minus of cosec 1410. 1410 means what? 4 into 360 minus 30. So after this simplification we get this one. Okay. So now again 360 is there. So cosec remain cosec. 360 minus something means what? We are in the third quadrant. That's why we get this minus sign. This minus plus cos 60 means 2. This one. Similarly, cos minus of this. So cos of minus theta is cos theta. That's why cos of minus 1710 is plus cos 1710. 1710 means what? 5 into 360 minus 90. ठीक है sir? Okay. So 360 minus means what? We are in the this here minus something. This we can cos 90 is 0. Similarly, you can find this one sine minus 11 pi. 11 pi means 180. So minus sine of minus theta is minus sin theta. So first this minus comes from this one, this rule. So 11 pi by 3 means what? 4 pi minus pi by 3. So if you take LCM, what we get here? 12 pi minus pi. 11 pi by 3. Okay, okay. So this is 360 minus something. We are in the 360 or we can say 180. 180. So we are in the fourth quadrant. So that's why this minus sign pi by 3. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So minus or plus. So this is root 3 by 2. So this is important. This is important. This part. This is also important. Then this part. So with the help of these three, we can find the value of any angle with the values of known angles. Okay. Thank you.